I never even had Portugal on my list, but then I finally went and nothing could have prepared me for this. Good morning. Oh, wow. I am beat. That jet lag caught up to your girl. I feel it in my chest bones. I feel it in my bone bones. So all I want right now, is a fat, juicy croissant. So I need to go on a walk, find a patisserie. Oh my God, for my life. So let me get ready and then we're gonna head out. I'm busier today. How beautiful, y'all. Okay, so I'm back in that spot that I was yesterday where I got my brunch. I'm gonna wander. There's quite a few like bakeries and cafes here. So let's take a gander. We're here. I got 2 or 3 croissants, I got 2 chocolate muffins, I got 1 apple. I also got a cappuccino because I really want a cappuccino. So I have secured the goods. I have my first Michelin star restaurant tonight. I'm so excited. I'm a huge foodie, and I have been dreaming my entire life of being able to just go to Michelin star restaurants, the experiences and gastronomy and all that good stuff. So I can get myself ready and enjoy my little muffins. Okay, outfit wise, it's been a struggle because with the jacket, so here's with the jacket on, but outfit is actually from Manier Devoir, I think, yeah, Manier Devoir pants, Manier Devoir jacket, and then this is just like a little black tank. Boots are like my favorite little sparkly boots because they're very like comfortable, but they give you just like a little bit of, you know. No, the experience has the whole thing. Like the experience starts from appetizer to dessert. Innovation is just the longer one, so it just has more food. 9 courses. You might as well do the experience that they like curated. You know what I mean? Like I feel like they got the star because of the curation.
For you to use.
I have an experience because I don't have to eat a whole dish of something.
And some Hokkaido different preparations.